Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem we have two billiard balls coming into contact, one of which is stationary, the other is moving towards it. Once they collide, one of the balls launches off with an angle of 30 degrees to its original motion. Now we're going to find the velocity and the angle of the second ball. Now we're told we are to assume an elastic collision. What that means is that the angles must add up to 90 degrees. So we can already see that our second ball, in this case I've drawn a red ball, is fired at 60 degrees from the original straight line path going to the right. Now what we need to do is set up our problem in terms of vectors, because we already know one of the angles and we know that V2 and V1 are 90 degrees from each other. So technically we know two angles, and actually all three, in this triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle. It's a vector diagram where this is VI, this is V1F, and this is V2F right here. This is going to be our 30 degrees, and this is our right angle right here. Now from Pythagoras we know that V1F squared plus V2F squared equals VI squared. Unfortunately, we already know two of our speeds. We know the initial speed, VI, is 5. And we know that the first ball, V1F, is 4.33. So all we have to do now is subtract and square root. So V2F is equal to the square root of 5 squared minus 4.33 squared, which comes out to be 2.50 meters per second. Now we also need to note the angle for this, and the answer is not 60 degrees for this, it's actually 300 degrees, because we have 360 minus the 60.